Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You've already read by the title and I'm doing this after 2 whole years. I'm doing a challenge with my sister, Isha.
Hello!
Who, by the way, now is on YouTube. 2 years ago when I filmed with her, she wasn't on YouTube, and now she has a YouTube channel. And a lot of you already watch her videos, but if you don't, then go subscribe to her. Today, we are doing the swapping diet challenge, which we did 2 years ago. So even 2 years back, I was still eating unhealthy. And Isha was doing keto 2 years back. So if you've not watched that video, go watch it. But because there were so many views and so many people like that, we decided to do a part 2. And this time, what diet?
I am on intermittent fasting.
This time Isha's on a different diet and I'm still the same. So we thought कि ये फिर से try करते हैं हम लोग एक और बार. Isha will get a cheat day also from my side and I will get to try her thing. Tell me what
Is intermittent
tell me a little
fasting.
bit. Yeah.
So I've just started this diet, okay? So even I'm a beginner, but I had researched a lot about this diet. So what you do in this diet is you eat for a certain period of hours and then you fast for some time. So what I do is I eat for 8 hours and I fast for 16 hours. Starting May, are you ready? Starting May, I fasted for only 12 hours, but you know, with time I increased my hours. So now it's 16 and 8.
And eat for 8 hours.
I eat for 8 hours, and in that 8 hours also I eat healthy. I don't eat unhealthy stuff until unless I'm meeting friends and everything. Yeah. So I have to eat healthy, but I've let myself a little loose and I'm eating wheat and everything. I'm not just eating protein, I'm eating carbs. So that's what I'm doing.
So what is your breakfast?
My breakfast is usually, so I don't eat breakfast. Yeah, I forgot. In intermittent fasting, what happens is, उठ के मुझे 4 घंटे I fast because मेरा 16 hours तब complete होता है. So after that, I have my breakfast, but I have to break my fast with fruits only. And then I proceed to my first meal. You have to break your fast with fruits, otherwise there'll be a lot of problem in your stomach.
That also you have to balance. You can't eat masala utte hi when you fasted for 16 hours. And for me, I also don't eat breakfast every day because my sleep schedule is really bad right now. But I have black coffee and I will have a bread butter toast if I'm really hungry. Which I don't know.
Oh my god!
I don't know when that happened. I started having bread toast. I used to have egg earlier and now I can't have egg. Like,
yeah,
I just can't. I ate it for so long that I'm so bored of it. So now you have to have
bread toast,
bread butter toast.
By the way, I've left bread. Okay, मेरे को 2-3 साल ऊपर हो गए मैं bread नहीं खाती. So इस बार I think 1 year के ऊपर हो गया मैंने bread नहीं खाया होगा. So I'm very excited to have bread and butter
and black coffee. And I will have to have green tea and fruits. So we have watermelon at home, so that's what I'm going to eat. But I'm scared because I have a bad throat, so very little watermelon for me. Let's go. I have my bread butter toast and my black coffee,
green tea and my fruits,
which we are going to swap now. So here you go. This is your
cheers.
No, that is mine. I can smell the green tea.
है ना? I like black coffee. I used to have it. You all must have seen in the keto video.
Yeah.
जो मैंने घी डाला था.
Yeah. Disgusting.
I love black
coconut
coffee.
oil, something she had put, which was horrible.
Please don't.
It's a diluted water, which is
with something bitter.
Yeah, that leaves wala taste aa jata hai. But my thing with green tea is I can't feel energized. Like I developed a taste for black coffee also. पहले मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता था. But black coffee gives me energy and I wake up in the morning. This is...
Green tea just detoxifies your system. Nothing else. It doesn't give you energy and all. It's just good to clean your system.
This was very thanda. इसको मैंने सादा करके रखा था. But because I have a bad throat.
And there's all makhan here.
I'm so tempted by the butter on this. You've not had bread butter for so long.
Amazing.
So then we will get ready and then be back for lunch. I've taken bath. That's why my hair is so frizzy. I am going to get ready for a shoot and I want to wear lenses. And I don't know how to wear lenses. So Isha is going to help me put the lenses.
Thank God.
Much later.
Guys, I ended up putting it on by myself because Isha was like, try it by yourself, shayad easier ho. So now before Isha leaves, we are going to have lunch. And what is your lunch? I know what her lunch.
So my lunch every day is dalia and curd.
हाँ,
Dalia and
दलिया
curd.
is क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Wheat.
नहीं. What is it called?
Lapsi.
Lapsi. And I have had dalia, which I have found really yum. It was very unexpected also. Whatever
Yeah.
Isha tries diet का मेरे को अच्छा लग जाता है somehow. So dalia I have tried, so I think I will like the lunch and it's not going to be a problem. My lunch के लिए, are you ready? There is pav bhaji for lunch, guys. I'm going to flip because I love pav bhaji. Oh my god. This looks so yum. And I'm going to have dalia. Can't believe it. How many years back you had pav bhaji?
I think वो बचपन में जू बीच में जाके खाता.
ऐसे नहीं, you have had pav bhaji.
I don't have pav with the bhaji. I have bhaji ऐसे ही.
Yeah, ऐसे ईशा वेरी बेचारी की तरह she eats food के हम लोग जो भी खा रहे हैं उसका all the fun elements she removes and then the remaining bits she has. It's too yum क्या?
It's actually like the.
I can smell the bhaji. That's triggering emotions inside me.
कांदा and नींबू तो wow. I'm going to squeeze some lemon.
See the happiness on her face. And this is mine, my dalia, and I have a little bit of curd with it. But guys, this is very tasty. I'm going to taste this now. It's tasty.
मैं कहती हूँ ना अच्छा है.
I can see jeera, I can see tomato, and ऐसा वो तड़का देते हैं ना थोड़ा. You can never taste this and tell कि इसमें दूधी है, but दूधी है. थोड़ा ऐसा गला हुआ दूधी है जो मालूम नहीं पड़ता. एंड अगर बचपन में कोई मुझे ऐसे खिलाता ना भाजी, मैं खाती खुशी से. कुछ नहीं पता चलता कि क्या खा रहे हैं, क्या वो हो रहा है. टेस्ट इतना समझ नहीं आता. थोड़ा मुझे दुख हो रहा है, पाव भाजी बाजू में है, बट इट्स ओके. Okay, I have done my hair and I'm about to do my makeup, but after lunch Isha has green tea. After every meal she has green tea. Any free time that she gets, she has green tea. So I am doing that. I have the green tea here. And today's mug of the day is, what does it say? It's not easy being perfect, but somebody has to do it. I hate that I have to drink this green tea, but I'm going to do my makeup quickly and finish this as I do my makeup because I have to get ready for a shoot. BRB. It might seem like it's just 2 minutes later, but it's not. It's actually 2 hours later. I haven't finished it. I only had 2-3 sips and then I went to shoot because daylight, the golden hour, it's a very important time of our life. We cannot miss it. So that's why I went up quickly to shoot. Then I went to the Dam Fam house also, shot a little over there. And now I'm back home. Reheated this green tea because at this time in the evening, I have black coffee again. But because I can't, I'm having the same green tea again. I was also hungry, so I called Isha up and I asked her what she eats in the evening. And she said usually she doesn't eat much, but if she's snacking, then she has makhana. So that's why I got makhana. If it was up to me, I would have popcorn. Act 2 butter popcorn is amazing, but makhana is also not bad. Isha has gone for her nails, so jab tak wo wapas aa rahi hai, I'm going to prep for tomorrow. There is a shoot I'm doing for Halloween, which I'm very excited about. I have this idea of doing like a Taylor Swift Look What You Made Me Do inspired Halloween video. So I want to do different characters and different locations, props, all of that, and be extra dramatic. I'm gonna wait for Isha and then we will head out for dinner. I came out to buy a few props for my shoot tomorrow and Isha is finally done with her nails.
After 5 hours.
And I just picked her up because I was also nearby only. Now we are quickly going home and changing and then let's go for dinner. I'm also hungry, she's also hungry. For food it was tricky thoda sa because I eat anything. But Isha likes to have dumplings and sushi.
Yeah.
She
And soups and fresh lime soda, only salty.
So we thought okay, we can go to an Asian restaurant and then वहाँ पे she can have whatever. I तो eat anything. उसका जो भी menu होगा, she will tell me over there. So we are going to go home, change and then leave. I didn't expect this to be good. It's a prawn what?
Cheng fun.
But it's so
fun.
yummy.
It's fun.
And these people Khushi Dingy have also ordered a lot of yummy food, which I can't have, but Isha can have. And Isha has ordered sushi for me, which I don't know.
Prawn tempura. It's a very
I don't like sushi.
all the best.
I have tried this before. I hated it the first time. This time it feels like it's bearable. This is street style
Chicken fried rice.
chicken fried rice. I really liked it. The sushi was theek. So we ordered one more prawn because I was very hungry, and the prawns are too good.
Wow, it's Nutella velcade
Isha, you are ice cream.
with caramel for the brand, for the tube.
For the tune.
Beautiful, soft, and only very nice. Thank you, honey.
This is weird, but we are at the airport. Actually, we are going for our Diwali break, and so I wanted to wish all of you a very happy Diwali. We hope you enjoyed this vlog, and the shout outs for today go to Gaurika, Bhatia and Stravya. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys, and I love you all. Wearing Tanzeel's merch. If you haven't checked it out, check out his page Pause Play by TK on Instagram. Sorry. Anyway, bye.